Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make rose sangria. Grab a large pitcher and chill it while you prep ingredients, then slice fruit and measure spirits. Start by macerating berries with a splash of liqueur for depth. Add chilled rosé, a touch of club soda for lift, and stir gently. Let the mixture rest for at least 30 minutes to meld flavors before serving over ice with fresh mint. In this video, I will show how to make rose sangria. Measure and assemble all components before starting to keep the process smooth and relaxed. Combine berries, sliced citrus, and the chosen sweetener in the pitcher. Pour in the chilled rosé and 2 ounces of orange liqueur if using, then gently muddle to release juices. Finish with a splash of club soda just before serving to preserve bubbles and brightness. In this video, I will show how to make rose sangria. Begin by macerating berries with liqueur or syrup to draw out color and juice, then add sliced orange and any herbs like mint. Pour in the bottle of chilled rosé and stir gently to combine without turning fruit mushy. Taste and adjust sweetness or acidity as needed, then refrigerate for at least 30 minutes so flavors meld and the sangria tastes cohesive and refreshing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.